One of the best ways to start organizing course content when you first begin using your class or subject area team is to create channels. Your team would have already been set up with one channel, the general channel, which happens to be the channel that I'm currently in inside my social studies AD team. Now, keep in mind that this is the channel where the assignments tab lives for the entire year. This is where your students will view and access their assignments. Now, some other tabs that you'll notice include a conversations tab, a tab for the team OneNote class notebook, and a unique files tab, which is a file storage area where you might want to consider storing files that you want your students to have easy access to for the entire year, such as the course outline or possibly some general rubrics. The general channel is also an ideal space where you could add tabs to other apps and websites, such as your class website or even Flipgrid. Now, you might want to consider creating more channels for your team. Channels could be created for specific topics or even units of study, depending on how you like to organize your year. To create a channel, simply hover over the name of the team and click on the three dots for the More Options menu. From this menu, select Add Channel. Give your channel a specific name. Notice that underneath giving it a name, you can also add a description, and you can select to automatically favorite this channel for the whole team. Once you've added a specific name and possibly a description, you can click Add, and Teams will take care of the rest of the setup. All right, with each channel, you get a unique conversations tab. That means that any of the conversations taking place here inside this tab in the stream will be unique to this particular channel. Same thing with the Files tab. This will be a unique file storage area for this particular channel. Notice that you also have a Notes tab. This is a collaborative notes page that is actually a page in the collaboration space of your team's OneNote class notebook. Keep in mind, when you set up a new channel, it is created as a new folder in the Documents library of your team SharePoint site, but we'll take a closer look at that in a separate video. Overall, channels can be a great way to start organizing your year and setting your students up for success.